These simple one-off automations are slowly fading away. Building agents, relying on one agent to do everything is unreliable, they break, and you always have to manage them. Going forward, this is where AI is headed. Building an agentic system, orchestration, being able to craft how an AI gets from point A to point B. Instead of one agent being the planner, the observer, the executor, and the verifier, those are too many steps, don't do it. You have one agent, that's the planner. You have one that observes, you have one that executes, and then one that verifies and critiques. If it gets to the verifier, doesn't pass a certain threshold, goes back to here to observe, and then it executes again and then it verifies again. This is where people mess up. They don't implement a system after the second time or the third time that the AI gets it wrong. It is looping here. You're going to be absolutely petrified to the API build that you're going to get. If it doesn't pass twice, you have to send it to human review. We're not at the point yet where we can just fully rely AI to ship anything. So even after if this checks out, you still want human in the loop to make sure that before anything shifts that it's verified by an actual human, because the last thing you want to do is send out an email or a text message or any form that is not correct, misspelled, or will piss off somebody. And this system needs a few more things. This is where RAG comes in. This is retrieval augmentation generate, meaning that you have some type of a vector database with semantic meaning, context that it retrieves information from. So before this actually gets triggered, it'll dive into a database, retrieve information, so that way the final output and everything it works within is based off actual context. So you have to think of this like you're building a human team. One human person cannot perform everything, but you create a team of people and it can perform a lot and it can do it great. And just like any human, if you give it skills, context, and tools, the output will be 10x better. And this is the same thing with AI. If you give AI skills, context, and tools, it'll perform 10x better. People are still just learning this and building agents. Building agents is inefficient. You have to be focused more on building a harness, giving it skills, giving it context files, and giving it tools and access to different softwares so you can get a handful of things done. Simplest way I can put it, think all this is your harness. You have the agentic system, you have RAG, you have context, you have skills, you have tools. And so whether you're just getting started or trying to dive deeper into AI, I have a bunch of free guides. Comment AI down below and I'll send you that link